Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ahmad Lokman bin Mahfuzuddin, with metric number 17DTK F2022. Today I am going to talk about the service that I choose. For the topic, I have picked two services, that is WhatsApp and Telegram. So, without wasting more time, let's continue to the discussion for the topic. So, what is WhatsApp? WhatsApp is an social media service that allow user to send text message, emoji, GIF, and voice message. WhatsApp allow you to share image, document, user location, and other content. Other than that, you can also make a voice call or video call. So what is special about WhatsApp? WhatsApp allow you to have a simple, reliable messaging platform which can connect you with your friend and family for free of charge. You only need to have a stable internet connection like mobile data or Wi-Fi to use WhatsApp. This way you doesn't need to pay any SMS fees. WhatsApp have an end-to-end encryption security that has been turned on by default. It ensures your message and call are secret, so only you and the person you are communicating with can read or listen to them, so nobody in between, even WhatsApp, can see it. WhatsApp allow you to create a group with up to 265 people at once who participate. This way you can have a place to hang out with your friend or your classmate. Either you plan to having a simple conversation or also if you are doing some discussion related to the assignment. Other than that, WhatsApp allow you to share documents like slide presentation, PDF, or other else up to 100 megabytes for each file. Other feature that I noticed is you can also use WhatsApp on web and desktop. You only need to make sure your phone is online every time. You doesn't need this requirement in beta update. So next, let's continue with Telegram. So what is Telegram? Telegram is a messaging app which focuses on speed and security that is also was simple and free. Telegram also offer the same basic feature like WhatsApp, which you can also send text message, emoji, GIF, and voice message. Other than that, you can also share video file, document, user location, and other content. It also have a voice and video call that you can also share screen of your phone or computer screen. You can use Telegram on all your devices at the same time, and your message will sync seamlessly across any number of your device. With Telegram, you can send message, photo, or video file of any type like document, zip, mp3, mp4, or other else up to 2 gig for each file. You can as well as create group for up to 200k people, or you can also create a channel with an unlimited audience. Telegram has a function like global search, which allow user to find channel related to their keyword or finding user based on their username. Based on Telegram facts, all messages are encrypted, so message in secret chat use a client-to-client encryption, while cloud chat like group or channel use a client-to-server or server-to-client encryption and are stored encrypt in the Telegram cloud. So right now I will show me testing the feature of voice and video call on Telegram. Hello everyone, today I would like to conduct some tests for feature on Telegram. So I would like to test out for the feature video call. So we will try it out. So we will just need to push this button, call button. So right now we will need to wait for the other side to receive the call. So right here, okay. Right now we managed to establish the connection between this device to the other device. So let's try to open the camera on the laptop. So I can see myself on the laptop right now. The connection is a bit lagging, but I think it depends on your internet. So I will close it down. So the next feature I think to be mentioned is we can also share a video screen, not just on laptop. You can share the screen on your phone. So we will like to do it right now. So right now I am on website malaymail.com. The headline there is talk about the Selangor allow congressional prayer with physical distancing from April 1. So I think it's a good feature. Everyone can test it out by themselves. It's also good when we like to discuss about a project with friends or team, or if you would like to talk about some issue, uh, global or nationwide. So I think it's a good feature that Telegram implement. Okay, thank you. For next, we will try to compare between these two services. So if we talk about what are the difference between the two services, for me, for what I can see, WhatsApp user can upload status while Telegram doesn't have the status feature. Meanwhile, if I see the Telegram support more bigger community which can handle 200k in public group, while WhatsApp can only handle 265 people on the same time. You can see the difference between the size of video file sharing. The Telegram has a bigger limit for sharing file, that is 2 gig, while WhatsApp can only share up to 100 megabyte. If we delete message on WhatsApp, the notification message will appear. Meanwhile, the Telegram doesn't have the deletion history. If we have typed a wrong word on message in Telegram, we can edit in 48 hours. Meanwhile, WhatsApp cannot edit the message and force the user whether to delete the message or write a new one on that, and it costs the chat kinda mess because of that. Different than WhatsApp, Telegram open their API code which attract the developer to create their own Telegram version. Example like Plus Messenger, Nicogram, you can check it on Play Store or App Store. Other than that, Telegram has a bot API which allow everyone to create their own bot using their own code on their hosted server. I have used this public bot frequently, and I have seen it's very useful when I doing some tasks. I also have tried voice and video call on WhatsApp. For voice call it works perfectly, but for video call it take much time, and sometimes it keep reconnecting me. For me, I think video call on Telegram was much stable than WhatsApp. So, on my opinion, I think both service have their own advantage and disadvantage. It still depends on how clever we are using this service. I would like to prefer Telegram because it can hold big community and has many useful features, while WhatsApp were more like close community. So that is all from me. Thank you and goodbye.